Welcome to the IELTS Writing Task 2 series. In this video, we'll learn how to use cause and effect transitions. In the essay, you explain different points and ideas. Cause and effect transitions help you explain why something happens and what it leads to. They also help you avoid repeating words like because and so. Let's start with result transitions. These show what happens after something. Examples include therefore, consequently, and as a result. We first state the cause and then use these transitions to explain the result. Here are some examples. First, we have said that online shopping is convenient, then used a result transition to say that because of this, it is popular. These transitions can come at the start of a sentence or after a semicolon. We always place a comma after them. Now, let's look at reason transitions. This time, we begin with the result and then explain the reason. There are many examples on screen. Some of them, like this can be attributed to, or the main reason is that, sound more formal. Here are some sentences using reason transitions. These often start a new sentence, but usually don't need a comma right after them. Now, let's compare sentence connectors. All of these show cause and effect, but the structure is different. Because, since, and as link two full sentences. Because of, due to, and owing to are followed by a noun or noun phrase. We can see the difference clearly in these examples. Both the sentences mean the same thing, but the grammar is different. Make sure you match the structure to the right connector. Now we move to more advanced linking. These transitions also show cause and effect, but they are used within a sentence. Words like thereby and resulting in help avoid starting new sentences each time. Let's look at an example. We could say students usually have excessive screen time, therefore they have lower focus. Or we can make it smoother. Students usually have excessive screen time, thereby leading to lower focus. This keeps your writing more fluent and natural. These are advanced versions of transitions like as a result. They are used in longer sentences with relative clauses. Here are a few examples. Online learning is becoming widespread, with the result that many universities now offer hybrid courses. To recap, some cause and effect transitions show a result, others explain a reason. You can use sentence connectors, embedded phrases, or longer connector clauses. Mix different types to keep your writing smooth and natural. Now it's your turn. Write a short paragraph explaining why remote work is becoming more popular. Use at least 3 cause-effect transition, one for each category. Here are some example sentences to help you get started. That's it for this video. Next, we'll talk about transitions for giving examples. Check the playlist in the description. Bye for now and see you in the next one.